me go up and down. Okay.
And put that on YouTube.
Oh yeah. Oh. Again. It's gonna make.
We can put this on YouTube and make people laugh at your stupid friend.
Hold up. Wait, no. You hit the wall. I did it 10 seconds.
And he missed.
Because I made it the first time. Hold up, one more.
I've made it 3 times in a row now.
I've made it, let's see, 2 times. He hits that thing and goes completely off. Wait, seriously, let me move. This
Olivia's next. She gets Patrick's basketball.
Yeah.
Whoa, shit.
Move, Patrick. You're in my line of video.
So speedy.
She makes it. Don't you dare block her. Oh. She's gonna be the first one to actually hopscotch and make a basket. No, that was traveling. You stopped with the ball. Never stop with the ball.
Record a game of force.
Daddy, Patrick pushed me out of line.
Oh, come on. You. And he still misses. Passing 2. Don't stand in the line of view. Don't make fun of her. She does better than both of you. Hey, now I don't want to hear it. I got video proof.
I don't hit my foot. You don't have video proof.
Go, Olivia. Go.
You have video proof. You're failing a bunch.
You haven't made it.
Just keep going. Keep going. Just
Okay.
get it up there and shoot.
That has nothing to do with it. I don't even use this arm. This arm stays here.
Yeah, I can't bounce.
You don't have to bounce.
Almost.
Yeah, I do. I can't.
Come here, Patrick.
Dad, you're horrible at this. You know that?
Old man plays hopscotch basketball.
That's
Part
right.
1. Yeah. Oh, you landed on the line like 5 times.
Not anywhere.